Hey Krishna, I am Purishuram here. Hare, welcome to Vishnu Sahasranama English Lecture 5. Om Vishwam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhuta Krut Bhuta Budvavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha. In this class, we will discuss 7th Bhavaha, 8th Bhutatma, 9th Bhuta Bhavanaha Namas. Bhavaha. He is one force who is responsible for the creation of the universe. He himself will dwell within all the moving things, immovable things, souls, etc. As he is dwelling in all the things are like that. Otherwise, it will not be as it is. There will be no existence for them at all. The time is existing, being counted, being felt, because he is there in every teeny part of the time as time. He will be called as time within the time. In any material, he will be there to energize it with the same name. The materials, the souls are all different from one to another, and also from the Lord Almighty. The Lord creates the universe and dwells in it for its sustenance. Universe is different and the Supreme Lord is different. They are not one and the same. The Lord has not become the universe. Lord stays within the universe to energize it. The Lord will not become the universe at all. The Lord creates the universe, stays in the universe, creates every object and stays within those all the objects. Srushti Stitischa Samharo Bhavanam Samudahkrutam Tadayaha Karoti Purushaha Sabhava iti Kirtyatehe. Quoted in Bhagavata Tatpara Nirnaya 11:28-7, taken from Viveka Grantha by Srimad Ananda Tirtha Bhagavad Padacharya. The Lord is called as Bhavana because he will be doing creation, sustenance and dissolution of the universe from time to time. Harikatamrita sir also quotes Jagavanellava Nirmisuva, etc. in Karunasandhi 8th Padya. Now we will move on to 8th Nama Bhutatma. The Lord is Antaryami among all the jivas, the souls. He dwells within the heart of all the souls. He is there within everybody and within everything also. Animate, inanimate. Because of him only, all the things, living, non-living, are existing, being seen, being felt. Many devatas, the Tattvabhimanis, are within the living beings and getting the work done at every moment. But the Lord is dwelling within those devatas, within those Tattvabhimanis also, to energize them to do that mighty work. Because of him only, the devatas, the Tattvabhimanis are doing the work, they are doing their duty, which is very enormous, tedious. The Lord dwells in soul as Bimba, and the soul is called as Pratibimba. Each and every soul is Pratibimba to the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord resides in the heart of each soul as Bimba. This Bimba and Pratibimba are together since time immemorial. Both are there in the soul. The soul is a subatomic one. The Lord Bimba will be much more tiniest than that soul. But his energy is infinite. He will provide the required energy only to the soul to the extent of its capacity. He is the controller of every bhuta, soul. Vitata, Vishwadhara, Vidyadisha, Vidhijanaka quotes the Vyapti Sandhi, Harikatamrasara 14th Padya. Mama Swami Harirnityam Sarvasya Patirevacha quotes Anuvakhyana. My Lord is with eternal bliss body at all the time, and he is the controller of all. He controls the souls yet to come for creation. He controls the souls who are in the creation, and also he controls the souls who are yet to come in infinite number of Brahmanda in future. 9th Nama Bhuta Bhavanaha. He is one who provides the vital food, energy to all the souls. Thus he is the cause of birth of the souls in the world. Without food, no life will sustain. Apart from providing food, he will also protect the souls by sheltering them. Asrayadata. He will see that all the inanimate elements, Jada Padarthas, are made available to the souls to sustain the souls, to sustain the vital energy. He controls the 11th Indriya, the Manas Indriya of all the Jivas souls. The Sattvika souls will realize his existence in their respective heart as Bimbarupi by his grace. Bhavana means thinking. Bhuta Bhavana means the thought of each souls. The Lord knows the thoughts of each souls and controls it. So he is Bhuta Bhavana. Many Haridasavanis are providing sufficient explanation to this Nama. Tanu ninnadu, Jivana ninnadu Ranga, the great Kanakadasa quotes. O Lord, this body in which I am made by you to stay is actually belonging to you only. You have given it to me for the purpose of doing the deeds. The life what I am leading is provided by you only, by your grace only. So my life is yours life only. You please bless me, O my Lord. ತೋದಕನು ತಾನಾಗಿ ಮನ ಮೊದಲಾದ ಕರಣದೊಳಿದ್ದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನೈದುವನು ನಿಜಪೂರ್ಣ ಸುಖಮಯ ಗ್ರಾಹ್ಯ ಗಾಹಕನು ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿ ಸಂಧಿ ಹರಿಕಥಾಮೃತ ಸಾರ 16th. O Lord, you are within my mind. You are controlling my mind. You only will give me the feelings of joy and sorrow. You are only the controller of my body and my intellect. I am nothing. I am Paramana only. What a great saying. Next. Bimbavu neenante, pratibimbavu nanante. Yogi Prasanna, Vidya Prasanna Tirthas saying, O Lord, you are the Bimba. To me, I am only Pratibimba for you. If you move, then only I will move. I am nothing. ಎನ್ನ ಬಿಂಬ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪೂಜಿಪೆ ನಾನು ಮನಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಅನುದಿನ ಮರೆಯದೆ ಶ್ರೀ ವ್ಯಾಸರಾಯರು. I will worship my Bimba Murti daily. It is a process to see the Bimba Murti within one's own heart. It is only possible to those who are capable of doing dhyana in proper way, in highest level. Of course, he will be Dhyani itself, knowledgeable person. The Lord will be seen to the Bhakta, a knowledgeable person, a Dhyani only, in the heart. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ದೃಢವಿರಬೇಕು, ದುಷ್ಟ ಜನ ಸಂಸರ್ಗಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಗೋಪಾಲದಾಸ ಸೇಸ್ the achievement of dhyana is only possible after having firm mind and also after throwing away the worldly ambitions, the wretched vargas, and then meditating upon the Lord. The achievement will be there. ಪರಮಾಣು ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಗುರು ಕೃಪೆಯಿಂದ ವಿಜಯ ವಿಠಲನ್ನು ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸು. Vijayadasa says, concentrate your mind in the subatomic space within your heart. The space is very, very, very minute. The mental concentration should be at this point. The point will be lesser than the Planck's constant, what our science says. The Planck's constant, a dot which can be thought at miniature level. Lesser than that, it is not possible physically. So, we should concentrate our mind to the teeny space, the Lord who stays in our heart. This is the initiation of Bharati Haridas Sahitya Vidyalaya. We are in the service of Haridas Sahitya for the last 25 years. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and encourage us. Thank you. I am Parashuram. Thank you.